In today's videos, let's talk about CI/CD pipeline, so which stands for continuous integration and continuous deployment. So this is a very powerful process that helps developer deploy code faster, more reliably, and automatically. So let's begin by create our Elastic Beanstalk environment for deploying a Java application. So in this setup, we are using Tomcat 9, Corretto 17, which is Amazon distribution of Open JDK 17, fully supported and production ready. So for the platform, we select Amazon Linux 2023, which is the latest optimized secure operating system. For AWS, ये combination perfect है for running a modern Java applications, fast startup, better memory uses, and long term support. So I have select all the necessary criteria. So this security group will automatically by default it can be selected. So once you have choose these settings, just give your environment a name, which I have given before. So you can give name anything. So for example, and click and create environment. So it goes to next and creating the environment. So a few minutes in your environment will be ready for deployment. So that's how you set up a Java based Elastic Beanstalk environment using Corretto 17. So now let's jump to the CI/CD pipeline. So first we go to the code pipeline and click on create pipeline, give it a name like I have given college web new, and proceed to the give the role ARN number name and proceed to the source stage. So we have selected here for the GitHub app. So in this source stage, we select GitHub via GitHub app. This securely connects with your GitHub repository to AWS. So choose the repository and the branches you want to deploy. For example, main, and once connected and pushed to GitHub will now trigger this pipeline automatically, and then we go for build stage. So in this stage we add code build, where the application gets compiled and packaged into a deployable .jar file. So here we have created the projects, and we define a buildspec.yml file in the code, and which tells code build how to build a stage step app. And finally we have go to the deploy stage. So finally we add the Elastic Bean environment, which we have created before, that we create with the Java Corretto 17. So this will be the destination of our deployed applications. Okay, and click the create pipeline. So it will take some times to creating the pipeline, and it will directly connect to the GitHub and creating the pipeline, and go to the pipeline process. So first it runs source stage, and we have to give some IAM permissions also. So it should run very flawlessly, but here some issues here. So yes, S3 failed issues. So after setting up the pipeline, we ran into a common error. So the IAM role didn't have permission to access S3. So we fixed it by going to the IAM console and selecting the pipeline role which we have created earlier, and attaching the Amazon S3 full access policy. So we have attached some of permissions, inline permissions, and attached the permissions also here. And then we have rerun the whole pipeline. So code build S3 upload error. So code build gave a similar error, so unable to upload the. Once permissions were fixed, we ran the pipeline again, and this time all three stages passed successfully: source, build, and deploy. The Java application was deployed to Elastic Beanstalk, and the website was live, just like that. So, and that's how you build a full CI/CD pipeline with GitHub, CodeBuild, and Elastic Beanstalk. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel Strinosoft Insights, and don't forget to hit the bell icon